The 2010 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, power door locks, electronic stability control, MP3 playback stereo, power windows, power locks, rear window defroster, intermittent wipers, 8-way power driver seat, reading lamps front. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.